Hello, all of my fellow dental healthcare providers and staff. As a longtime practicing dentist, I'm well aware of the tremendous difficulties we face trying to deal with dental insurance companies, and it just seems to get more frustrating every single day. Well, we at GMA Laser Education have come up with a way to overcome this issue to maximize your revenue, maximize your reimbursement, and maximize your patient case acceptance. On June 3rd, Ms. Crystal May will be leading a course, Mastering Medical Dental Billing and Coding. You will learn step-by-step techniques to go ahead and bill for these many procedures and maximize your revenue. Crystal is a nationally renowned speaker. She's CEO of Devdent Dental. Crystal is so upbeat, so knowledgeable, so enthusiastic. She'll make your time fly by as she increases your knowledge of medical billing. You know, at every course and webinar we always get asked about reimbursement and codes. Well, Crystal will train you how to properly bill medical insurance for many techniques. TMJ, perio, hygiene, soft tissue laser procedures, photobiomodulation techniques, just to name a few. Registration is simple. Go to our website, gmalasereducation.com. The regular price for this course is $395, but up until May 21st, we are running a special and only charging $250. So I urge you to register soon, because don't we all just want to increase our practice revenue? Thank you.